Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact target you want active: another slide, a file, a web address, or an email link. Once chosen, select the text or object that will become the link and right-click to open linking options. Make sure any external file is in a shared or reachable folder, and verify the URL or address is accurate before moving on, because a broken target is the most common cause of a non-working link. Next, open the link dialog via Insert Link or by right-clicking and selecting Link. Here you set the type. Pick a web address, an existing file, a place in the presentation, or an email. Enter the exact path or address, adjust the display text if needed, and add a screen tip so users understand where the link goes. Once configured, click OK to apply. This embeds the action, not just the visual, so be deliberate about the destination and labeling. Finally, test your link in slideshow mode because links often don't behave in editing view. If you want click versus hover actions, use action settings to assign a hyperlink or run a program. Make sure to choose mouse click or mouse over as appropriate. If the link fails, check the file path, network permissions, and whether the target moved. As a troubleshooting tip, relink using a relative path for files in the same folder to avoid broken links.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.